Nicki, she's still not getting the Grammy. She's a bully. She is a bully. Nicki Minaj is a fucking bully.
Fresh
Who
drop.
the fuck is Blam Them? Is that fucking John Gotti? Is that John Gotti, boy? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is him? I don't want to come over here come tell me say me murder Slick Yarn and tell me say Blam Them will cool me because me now shut up cause enough to come and tell me say me murder Slick Yarn and me sit down and suck it up over some fucking maga suck out waste man. Wanna make feel like them as somebody because you know toxic favorite rapper. We can't fucking get a fucking Grammy because she's so much of a fucking bully. Nobody fucking respects her. But you know shit all dirty Jamaican people. We're frightened. Eh? No, come for me, no. Come for me. I'm telling you, say tonight you're not going to eat me some more. And I never fucking hear. Come for me. I don't want to turn TikTok in a Mexico. In a cartel hands. Want to come antagonize people and turn over here. In a bully zone. Everybody wanna see, wanna want to come tear down and cow down pussy clad people. I'm telling you this, as much as me used to listen to that mad music, me not afraid of nobody. I don't afraid of no pussy clad body and telling Maga boy say me want boil some porridge game. Cause he look suck out and dry out. He want look up porridge in his system. He want some porridge. Only need to boil some porridge game. I'm tired of you now, man. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't bother nobody at all. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alright? Alright. The one Nicki, she's still not getting the Grammy. She's a bully. She is a bully. Nicki Minaj is a fucking 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 bully. There, I said it. Me tell you no say. You not gonna like me to after tonight, you know. I mean, go upset you know after blood clot tonight. What the fuck when you come and talk about Blam Them? And because Blam Them and Nicki Minaj upon live, you know, make it look like say Blam Them is this powerful figure and this immortal person, and I'm not supposed to go curl up in a corner because you know want to come accuse me of a murder when I have nothing to do with me? Eh? Eh? Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. And so the same girl here too, where did I spread the rumor, where they actually did that spread the rumor, the same girl where they name social blog. And you remember the girl where did I spread the rumor? And she this, you know? Me say, you see? What me I talk about?
Fresh
You see
drop.
me I talk about though? You see me I talk about though? You see me I talk about? Yes, Charm. Charm, your boss don't have nowhere else to be. He's a fucking low life. He don't have a job. Him not have nowhere else to be. Of course, him a go there here, so. Of course, him a go there here, so. I don't need to understand, say, I don't bow down to nobody at all, and a blood clot body can't call me down. So when me dey on my platform, don't come tell me about Blam Them, cause me no know a bomber clot Blam Them from nowhere. I'm not afraid of Blam Them. Me not care who want the pan in pussy clot live and who want this and that and that. That have nothing to do with me. You hear me say? That has nothing at all to do with me. Every day me dey on my platform, when you come and dey on blood clot. Me leave me alone. I don't care for no screen recording. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's that simple. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.